How to log into Bumble app. Ready to jump back into Bumble? Let's log into your account quickly. Open Bumble app on your phone. You will see the welcome screen. Tap login at the bottom of screen. You will say I have an account. Tap it. Choose the method you originally used to sign up. Your phone number, Facebook, Apple ID. Make sure you use the same one you sign up with. If you choose phone number, enter it and tap continue. You will receive a verification code through SMS. Enter it to confirm. If you log in with the Google, Apple, or Facebook, just confirm your account and Bumble will log you in automatically. Once logged in, you will land on the main swipe screen, ready to match and chat with new people. That's it. You are back on Bumble in second. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, hit like, subscribe, and stay connected for more quick guides. Catch you in the next one.